In this video, I'll be showing you how you create a group on Facebook. It's simple and easy to do that. What you do is you tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen. Here, on this section, we move to groups. So let's scroll to the bottom here and you see groups here. We tap on that. And on this page, we see every group we are inside on Facebook. So to create a new one, we tap on the plus button. You see the arrow on the screen, just tap on that. And you select create a new group or create a post. So create a group. Good. So we give the group a name. We change the privacy to a public one so everybody can join, or private if you want to create a group for some people or your people. Now let's give the group a name. Let's add something like this as the group name. And now let's tap on the create group to create it. Good. And we have our group created. You can straight away, you can invite people. You get it. So you just tap on invite to invite them, or you tap on the next. And you add a cover photo and all that is up to you. So we have our group created here. So now you can go forward. Good. So now our group is created. You can invite people. You can add a cover and all that to the group. You can add the rules and everything. So that's it. If you are new here, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Peace.